Good morning. I just looked at the footage that I did as a vlog for my last work trip. I was doing like prepping for my work trip, and there's a lot of footage there. So I'm gonna make a vlog out of it. I'm gonna edit it and make a vlog out of it. But I thought I'd start another one because today is Thursday, July 6th, and I leave Saturday for my next work trip. I'm going to St. Louis, Missouri. Don't be jealous. And I thought I'd do another like prepping for my work trip, and then I'll do some footage on my work trip, and I'll try to remember to do it horizontally. I just grabbed some toner. I just got out of the shower. So what you've missed so far this morning is that I got up. I went for a walk with my neighbor and her dog. We used to walk our dogs together. My dog passed away last year, so I've continued to do the walks with her, which has been really great. There's my there's my dog, Bradley Superstar. And so I did that. I ice rolled my face because it's super hot outside. The ice roller is good for cooling you down, but also good for depuffing. So I've got cheekbones now. I took a shower. This is my suitcase that is still half packed from my last work trip to Hollywood, Florida. So I left some of the things, just like my last work trip, some of the things that I only wore once, I just left on this side, and I'm just gonna keep them in there and wear them in St. Louis. And then the other side, I already did the laundry and, cleaned all the dirty stuff. So now I have work today, but I work from home, which is good. At lunch, I'm gonna go with my mom to get a nail appointment, and I was supposed to do that so that I could leave her my car. I'm trying to set you up there. I was supposed to, we booked a nail appointment the day before, or today, because I was going to leave her my car. Well, I give her my car while I'm on my work trips because she doesn't have her own car anymore, and she doesn't want to. But now I have Pilates tomorrow at lunch tomorrow, and it's not walking distance from my house, so I need to drive. So I'm going to go to lunch with my mom and get our nails done, get mani pedis, then come back home, finish working, maybe pack a little, and then tomorrow, maybe I'll pack tonight, and then tomorrow I'll get up, work in the morning. At lunch I'll go to my Pilates class, and then I'll drive to my mom's, give her my car, and she'll drop me back off at home so I can work some more. And then at the end of the day tomorrow at 7 p.m. I'm volunteering in my neighborhood at a movie. They're doing an outdoor movie, so I'll try to remember to record a little bit of that. And then Saturday, that's Friday, and then Saturday morning I leave for St. Louis. Did you get all that? Okay, I'm almost dressed. This is my I take an aqua spinning class, like the spin bikes are in the water, and this is my little outfit drying. But I got these pants and this shirt from Target the other day. The pants are the Knox Rose brand. The shirt is from the men's section, and it was on sale for like $7. I think it was originally $12, which this for a woman would cost $25. But anyway, the tag said that the hold on.
This is what I've always been. Mm-hmm. This is what I'm looking at. Hi.
Hi. Today is Friday. I leave for my trip tomorrow. And every time I'm watching YouTube, I realize, because people are like getting ready, doing a day in the life, I realize, oh yeah, I'm supposed to be filming like my preparation for my work trip. So yeah, today I got up. I did a walk with my neighbor and her dog. It's so hot here. I ice rolled my face. I came back. I took a shower. I did work. I had a call with my department. And then I did more work, and then I went to Pilates at noon. I have a Friday class at noon I take. And then I went to the office to pick up something that I need for the conference tomorrow. And then I went to my mom's house, gave her my car. She dropped me back off at home, and that's where I am now. So I did a bunch of work while I was waiting for my mom to come down to the car. And I think I'm going to take a break from work now and pack my suitcase because that is not done. Here's my suitcase. There's some things in there from my last trip, but there are things that I wanted to take again. So I think, yeah, I'm going to do that. Maybe I was going to say I was going to clear off my desk, but that's going to take too long. I'm just going to pack it right here on my sofa and make that a priority because I'm volunteering tonight. At the cemetery in my neighborhood, they're showing a movie, like a Tim Burton movie, and me and my friend do the bar. We bartend, but we just like pour wine and beer and collect Venmo money and stuff like that. So anyway, we're gonna do that, and that's at 7. And so this needs to be fully packed before then because I think it goes until 11. And then I'm gonna come home and sleep and then get up and go to the airport. So I don't want to have to do this when I get back tonight, and I don't want to have to do this in the morning. Also, I think I hear the mail lady, and I'm waiting for a Target dress and some sunscreen to be delivered, so I might go see if that's available, if that's what she's delivering. Apologies for the AC in the background, but in the middle of my packing, I decided to show you what I'm going to wear to the airport tomorrow. This little tank, I don't know why, but lately I've been getting so hot in the airport, so I want like something sleeveless so my arms can breathe. And then I'm going to wear these drawstring pants. These are from the Uniqlo collaboration with somebody. That's not helpful information, but it's a Uniqlo collaboration. And then this men's button-up shirt, which is also a Uniqlo shirt that I bought secondhand. So I'm gonna wear that. It's basically like a professional version of what I'm wearing now. And I'm gonna wear my New Balance shoes. That way I don't have to pack them, and I'll have them when I need to work out. And I hope you guys heard all that. I feel like that was so far away. But this is the outfit I'm gonna wear on the plane with these black pants and the tank top. And I'm gonna wear my New Balance with them because then I'll have them so in case I use the gym at the hotel, which I will try to do at least one day. And what else was I gonna tell you? Oh, that I try to look like a little bit presentable on the plane when I travel for work because a lot of times, almost all my clients are based here in DC. A few are in New York, maybe 5 of them are in New York, and like 1 or 2 are in California, but the other like 15 of my clients are based in DC. So a lot of times I'm on the same flight with the staff who's hosting the conference. And so I don't want to be in my pajamas. Also, it doesn't happen all the time, but this time, as soon as I land, I have to start working right away. And probably my room won't be ready for me to go in and change, and I don't want to change in the bathroom. So I can work in this outfit even with my New Balance. Okay, back to packing. Grabbing socks. And I'm stuffing them in these shoes, which I'm gonna wear with a dress. These are sequin toms from like Saks Fifth Avenue or something. Anyway, the socks are for my New Balance. So I just stuff them in my shoes that I'm gonna pack, and then I pack them like that. And I'm also gonna take a bathing suit. I probably will not use the pool at the hotel in St. Louis, but just in case, I always like to pack one with me. Report all my clothes made it into the suitcase, plus an extra pair of jeans and a t-shirt that I don't need, but you know, just something to throw on. I packed all my toiletries, very full. I just need to get one other thing. Now, what was it that I was gonna get out of my bathroom? One more thing. Now I forgot what it is, but I'm gonna go check the mail because I forgot I wanted to see if my dress from Target and my sunscreen came. Let's go. No package, and I'm actually so annoyed because you know how the delivery services will say like it's here, but I think that just means they scanned it on their truck and it's around town. I don't know. It's not here. I'm so annoyed. And then of course it's probably gonna come after I leave tomorrow for my trip. I don't need it for my trip, but I also don't want it just sitting here for a couple days. Boo! I need the delivery services to do like the food delivery services. You have to take a picture of where you dropped it off if you say you delivered it, and I want to see it because I don't think you delivered it. Anyway, I got the rest of my mail. Hello for my bathroom. I washed my hair. Do you guys dry your hair with your towel? Because you're not supposed to, especially if you have curly hair. The fibers in the towel like pull at your hair. I use an old t-shirt. So like if you have t-shirts that are too small or have like bleach stains or something on them, just wash them really good and then cut the front from the bottom. I mean the front from the back, like cut it down the sleeves. So you have 2 pieces of fabric and then you can use them to dry your hair. I was on the phone with my mom, so I didn't get to film it, but I made a snack box. This is my new thing for the airplane. So it's just Honeycrisp apples, some cheddar cheese, and some delicious crackers from Trader Joe's. These are jalapeno strawberry crackers. They're so good. They're seasonal, but highly recommend it. And then this is my child's bento box that I bring on the plane. So I still have like 45 minutes before my Uber comes because I woke up crazy early this morning. I'm doing a load of laundry. I already did. I'm drying my laundry. I already hung up the delicate stuff, and then I washed the, put the stuff in the dishwasher, and now they're clean. So now I'm just gonna have a bowl of yogurt and maybe watch YouTube until it's time to go. See you at the airport. Good morning from the airport. I don't fly Southwest that often, and I actually think it's a perfectly fine option for getting, like, if you have direct flights places in the US, like domestically. It's not my favorite. I don't enjoy their antics when they do the safety demo. I don't even know how they get away with that with the FAA, but whatever. But this part of the airport that Southwest is in is like, I can't even describe it. It's so tiny. There's like nowhere to like be away from people. There's no lounges in here. I don't know. This is giving first world problems, but yeah. But to go to St. Louis, this is like the most direct. So here I am.